Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Kylie Padilla kasama ang mga anak na sina Alas at Axel nakipagdiwang sa kaarawan ni Gabriela. Sa Instagram story ni Kylie, ipinakita niya ang ilang ganap sa kaarawan ni Gabriela kung saan pansin na ang saya nila. Gayunpaman sa ibang bahagi, si Mariel Rodriguez ay may sweet na birthday message sa kanyang bunso na si Gabriela. Saad niya, "Dearest Gabriela, I do not know anyone sweeter than you. You are the sweetest, sweetest, sweetest. I see so much of me in you. Your cheerfulness, your silliness, your temper, the way you make people feel and everything about you is so special and unique. I'm so lucky. You save me every day. You are the gift that keeps on giving. Happiest birthday my sweet sweet Gabriela. No one does it like you do. I will say it again. I'm the lucky one. I got so lucky because I have you." Narito at ating panuurin ang kabuuan ng video, pero bago yan maaari po kayong mag-subscribe para laging updated sa iba pang kaganapan.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, Gabriela. We have to do it one more time, fast. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Okay, Gab, I need to
Let me see what's
Happy
inside.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Gabriela and
you.
Isabella.